For years, many developers in Calgary were all about building houses. These days, some are making a change.
We decided to stop selling units and really focus on the rental market.
He isn't alone. Numbers from the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation show construction has started on a record number of rental apartments this year.
Nowadays, developers realize that there is a lot of this demand in Calgary for rental housing, and they're building towards that.
Other major cities are also seeing a rise in rental construction, Toronto being a notable exception. But in Vancouver, in the first half of this year, the number of rental apartment starts was the highest in decades.
We have 10 multifamily rental properties in the pipeline, the development pipeline in Metro Vancouver. And we think it's a good thing because we think there will be a permanent, perpetual demand for multifamily rental in Vancouver.
It's not just supply and demand. Public policy also plays a role, including a Calgary program that helps turn empty office buildings into places people can live.
So it's an Art Deco building. We love it. It's a passion project.
Passion aside, it isn't clear if rental development can continue at the same clip. High interest rates are spurring more people to rent rather than buy, but they're also putting pressure on developers.
Securing land at affordable costs, increasing costs of construction, increasing carrying costs on debt. And you're just not going to see rents, like salaries are not increasing at that same rate. Rents are just not going to be able to accelerate at that same proportion to be able to make the math work on those things.
The CMHC says some apartments under construction will be available for people to move in the next few months, but the trend will have to stick around to provide long-term relief for renters. Paula Duhacek, CBC News, Calgary.